Well, one thing I noticed is I got a little bit of a mud hole going right here. And the more I walk on this, the worse it's gonna be. So I really wanna fix it. It's not a sophisticated solution, but it'll work. My wooden forge handle had caught fire and broken, so I replaced it with a bit of 1-inch aluminum. Let's see if this replacement handle works. Oh, my belt broke. Oh, I have no idea how to fix that. This will give me a chance to think about what to do with this. So the nylon in this ratchet strap is almost the same dimensions as my belt. So I'm going to sacrifice the nylon strap to the greater good here. Put some epoxy on this. All right, we'll let that glue set up. And I'm going to install some hooks up here. See, been curing for a few hours. Let's see if it's any good. There we go.